Let's see if the key's in there. Kinda looks like... Oh, terrible. Looks like it, yes. The windows are dirty. Oof. Ready to drive this back in with me? You can drive the truck. I can drive the tractor. Do you know, are these little hose, this like holding the hoses in a cluster, is that just for travel or is that just cleanliness?
Let's just organize it, yeah.
Oh, okay.
Just keep it moving. Have you guys in there? Pull up here a little bit so you can come off? Yeah.
Stay over here. Yeah. Hey. So excited. Those tasty tires.
This guy fell off.
Oh, which one?
Rob's did